Hello, another quick maintenance video tip for you all today. I'm going to show you how to use the strut pump. This is a ATS 675A. It's about 250 bucks from Aircraft Tool Supply. They're real easy to use if you have one. You probably already know how to use it. There's instructions that come with it that are really good. Make sure you read those first, and do wear safety goggles because these are pretty dangerous. So this coupler here, we're just going to attach to the nose strut of this Cherokee. We took the valve cap off. I'm just going to tighten that on there, nice and easy. We've got our shop ear here. Just connect that. There we go. This is your slide valve. That's all it takes. Run that back and forth. Alright, on the Cherokee you want about a cigarette pack height. That's about good on this one. So this strut is done. Thanks for watching.